Over the last decade, we've worked with people all over the world, delivering aircraft, both import and export, into and out of the US, and that's uniquely equipped our team to deal with all kinds of situations. Recently delivering a Pilatus PC-12 from Germany all the way to Addison, Texas. So after purchasing the aircraft in Vienna, Austria, we took it to Germany for pre-buy at Air Alliance. That process took about a month. Nothing major was found, so we decided to proceed with the transaction. We then closed in Germany and registered the plane through a FAA DAR. And then it was time to bring it back to the US, which was the fun part. That trip used over 1,200 gallons of fuel. It was over 5,000 miles. It took 3 days, and I think it was over 9 legs over some of the most remote locations in the world. We're talking middle of Greenland, Iceland, far northern Canada, Frobisher Bay. There's no roads going to Frobisher. I mean, you have to get there via plane or boat, and then on through northern Canada, all the way down to Green Bay, where we did the import, cleared customs, and then we flew on to Addison to deliver the aircraft to our client, who was ecstatic to see us, and he was waiting there and delivered an aircraft, premium aircraft at a discount, because he was willing to go through the process with us and allowed our team to deliver this plane. So it was an incredibly unique experience I was blessed to be a part of. And one of the great things that we get to do is serve our clients from all over the world. We can complete this process for anyone. We've done it many times and really uniquely equips us in the industry.